I was just sitting in my car one day and I had the thought I should open up a pop-up shop. How cool people can come in and buy the gold. I'm always just e-com or like over the phone deals. I thought it was a really cool idea, and it really is, and I'm really excited about it because we've set the shop up now and it looks freaking awesome. All my family came up, not all of my family. A lot of my family came up over the weekend and helped me set up, which was so freaking nice. And they did so much work for me. I'm so appreciative. And now the pop-up shop looks so good. 85 Hannon Street. We were meant to open yesterday, but we're not. So hopefully Thursday, Friday. There's just some things went working out, but it is set up, ready to go. I really want to keep it forever. Like, it looks so good. But we'll see how the pop-up goes. We're going to be open till Christmas, 9 till 5:30, 9 a.m. till 5:30 p.m. I'm shining and sweating so much right now because I just went into the gym. It's also 40 degrees today. And we actually couldn't have opened today anyway because the aircon's not serviced yet, and it was 40 degrees today in Cal, so it just would have been freaking awful anyway. Everyone would have been sweating and miserable. So yeah, anyway, I'll keep you updated about exactly when we open. And then we're going to be going every day of the week, open every day of the week, except maybe some Mondays. But it's like 3 weeks till Christmas, really, hey? Like, what is the date today? Nah, like a month. Maybe I might have to have a Monday off here and there, but we're going to be open Saturdays and Sundays. Shorter trading hours. I haven't decided yet. I'm actually just kind of making shit up as I go, I'm not going to lie. Do you know what my family said to me when they were setting up for the pop-up shop on the weekend? Oh my God, Tyler, like, we are shocked how organised you are. It's not the compliment you think it is. It's like a backhanded compliment. Shocked that I was organised. Nah, it's pretty shocking. But there was a lot to organise. It took me 2 months to set up this pop-up shop. 2 months. Very long list of things to get done. But I did it. And yeah. Permanent jewellery won't be till mid-December. But keep an eye on my page and I'll announce when we're doing the permanent jewellery. First ever permanent jewellery in Calgary, so that'll be really fun. Got a heap of jewellery made up. This is Australian gold with an Australian gemstone made in Western Australia. It's really beautiful. I was meant to sell it, but I've kept it. And I really want to keep one of the rings I've made, but I really shouldn't, but it's really nice. Should I put a photo of it? I don't have a photo of it yet. It'll be on the website. On Thursday we're doing a gold drop, a golden jewellery drop, and it was meant to tell you guys that as well. Anyway, I'm going to take the dogs for a run and start uploading stuff for this gold drop, start getting all of the marketing ready for it and the Shopify. Again, that was meant to be December 1st, but didn't happen. Anyway, bye.